Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys, I'm super excited. I want to show you my new digitals, and these are how I have them printed off right now. So I printed them on Canon photo, matte photo paper, and the link will be down below in my Amazon links. I have some stuff down there if you want to come check them out, but the Canon matte photo paper is down there, and it turns out really good. It's got a really good print to it. So these are the digitals that are in my Etsy shop, and I definitely will have my Etsy link to these down below, and just the Etsy link to my shop is all down there in the description. But I think they turned out so cool. So I just wanted to show you guys these really quick and do a fun little project with you. So that's my love one. And then hope. Oh, upside down. And these make, I mean, you could just do, cut them and do belly bands with them, do pockets for your journals, do, just cut it out and do decorations of your own, like make a collage with them. I mean, there's just so many different things you could do. And this is my Collage Red series. If you guys haven't followed along with that, I will make sure to put the playlist at the end. And you can come check it out. And yeah. And then this will be part of the playlist too, showing you guys the digitals and everything. Okay, so those are the 5 of them that are in my shop right now. And what I want to do is, my mom, her last name is Peace, and she really loved it. So I am going to make her a cute little journal that I'm going to send her. And she likes to, when she knits or crochets, I think it's when she knits, she likes to write in her little journals that I make her and put down like what color of yarn she used for certain projects, and you know, all that stuff. And so these are, she said that she needs another little book, another little journal. So I am gonna make this one with you guys today, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna use Peace on the outside, Dream on the inside, because it's pretty white on the inside here. So I'm gonna do this, just have an inside cover, just like that. And I'm going to take it over to my sewing machine, and I'm going to use some cool red thread, and I'm going to do a zigzag stitch all the way around. But to secure it here, I'm going to use my Scotch Crate glue stick, and just right here in the middle, just to tack it down. And then I'm going to go to my sewing machine and just do a zigzag all the way around it. All right, so I think that turned out really cool. You can just see the zigzag around it. And then that's the other side. Okay, and now I'm going to take my black soot and I'm just going to ink all the way around the edge. All right, so there we go. It looks a lot better. And then now I'm going to take this and fold it. Just like that. Get my bone folder. Make sure it's all lined up. And there we go. So as you can see, this is just already ready to go for you. You can make cute little journals with it, and I mean, that's just so much fun. All right, so we got that, and then I have some avocado dyed, onion skin dyed, tea dyed. I think it's just the versatile. I don't think I have the coffee in here, but so we got those variety. And the thing is it fits like this. But the width here, I need to cut just a little bit off. So I'm just going to cut just a bit off of that. About like that. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my little cutter here and my mat. And my ruler. And then you don't have to push hard. Just push light, lightly, and just do it a couple times. Just give it a little trim. We are all trimmed up. And then you stick it back in there. Let's see how it looks. Much better. I like that. Okay. And I'll clean this up real quick and we'll go to the next step. All right, so now I went ahead and clipped my pages in and put them where I wanted them. And in what order you want them, and make sure they're upright, that none of them are backwards or anything, which mine are all just blank because I'm keeping them all blank so she can, write everything she wants down on them. Okay, just do that. And I got 8 pages in here, so, which doesn't matter, just do as many as you need. And I'm gonna find the middle with my little awl here, middle-ish, and then just poke it through like that. And then about 1 inch from the top. I got this it came with my watch here, my Apple Watch, and it's just it's with a face cover thing. So if you put something like that down, you could do this and just make sure it's under it, and then just take it and poke right through. So that's the easiest way to do it, like that, and then just get it all the way through. And then I'll go to the next one, and about 1 inch up. Just take it and poke it through. So then you don't poke your fingers and stuff. So just any kind of packaging works, just any styrofoam kind of thing. And you can recycle it. Okay, and then I have my thread here, which it's just like a thinner rope, like a cotton, just a rope kind of thingy, which works perfect. And what you do is you just measure 3 times the size of your journal. 1, 2, 3, roughly. And this is a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. So you start in the middle, pop it through, leave a good tail, go through the top, like that, and then go down through the bottom. And then back up through the middle. And just make sure don't split your strings here, which I've done many times. There we go. Okay. Then you got your 2 strings that came out. You got one in the middle. You want to make sure to lift that one up. Put each of these strings on underneath on each side. And then give it a snug, but not too tight of a pull. And then 1, 2, and I usually do 3 for good measure. Okay. And you can let it hang and do some dangles off of it, or you could tie it in a bow. And then whoever receives it, or if you want to later, you can untie the bow and do whatever you want with it. So I like to do that. And let's check it out. See how it turns out. So you got your pages in here. They're all secure and ready to be written in. That's kind of fun. Okay. So we got that, and then I want to do a fun closure. Yeah, you just kind of work your pages. Just make sure you can take your bone folder and just put them where you want them. Like that. There we go. All right, so now I'm going to take my crocodile, which, like I said, I'll have stuff down in my Amazon link. So I got my crocodile, and it's the whole little kit here. And it comes with some eyelets, but I also bought some more eyelets, so they'll be a little different than these because I bought extras too. But they do come with eyelets, this whole set, and it's a cool little set. Okay, so you got that. And I'm going to, so you got your 1/8 inch hole punch, and you got your 3/16 hole punch, and then you got your eyelet setter here. Okay, so I'm gonna do the 3/16 hole punch. I'm gonna line it up where I want it. And for some reason, I ordered 3/16 off Amazon, but they're a little bigger, so I always have to make my hole a little bit bigger. I don't know. You never know. So that's what I do. I just make it a little bit bigger to set the eyelet in there. Okay, and then I'm going to kind of eyeball it and make sure that it is lined up. Okay. Those look pretty good. And what color do we want? Red, of course. I like red. It goes perfect with it. Okay. So you just set your eyelet in there. Right. And you got your pokey part at the top, and then your flat disc at the bottom. And you want to put the pokey part through the top, and then the flat disc at the bottom to flatten it. So you just stick it like that, give it a press, and there you go. You got yourself an eyelet set. Okay, so then you do the other side. Now I'm going to take my seam binding, and I just cut it 14 by 14, I think is what I did. Let me see here. About 15 and a half. And what I'm going to do, there's a couple options. Let's see. So you could go like this and then tie it and do it like that. Or you could do a knot here and make a knot and have a knot like that and have longer ones, but I think I'm just gonna go like this. And there we go. We got ourselves a cute little piece book here. Yeah, I think that turned out really fun. Okay, so there is definitely some fun things that you can make with these and just kind of throw into some projects or collages or journals or, you know, belly bands, pockets, corner pockets, all kinds of things. You can, once you order them as a digital, you'll have, it'll be a JPEG, and once you download it and have it saved, you can print off as many as you want and make all kinds of stuff with them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.